Okay, we'll see now how to perform independent sample t-test. The independent sample t-test is a t-test that you use when you have two groups. In this case, I have the height measure in class A and in class B. So to run it, I go to t-test, independent sample t-test. My class is my grouping variable and the height is my dependent variable. And as you can see here, you have straight the results. So you have the p-value that is lower than 0.05, so the two groups are significantly different. You can check the effect size by checking the Cohen's d, and again the Cohen's d is pretty high, it's 0.6, so we can define our result as solid. You can check for normality, and again there is the Shapiro-Wilk test that shows you the W value and the p-value of the W, which is higher than 0.05, which means again it's a good sign that tells you that the data are normally distributed. We can make a bar plot here of the average of height between the two groups, and you can either plot the standard error or the confidence interval as error here at the top. As you can see, I change it, and this height of the two bars change. Usually the standard error is the standard measurement that we use here. You can make a rain cloud plot, which is my favorite because you can see the very well the distribution of each point here, the data of each point here, group A and group B, so each point is one person. You can see that the variability is very high here compared to here, and this can be seen here very nicely through this box plot, and it can be seen also nicely from these distributions. In your descriptive statistics, again you put class in split and height in variable, and here you very nicely have your mean and your standard deviation. You can check the again you can make the Shapiro-Wilk test, which gives you the test for normality with the p-value here. You can measure the skewness and kurtosis, and you will see some differences because the groups have two different distributions. So as you can see, the kurtosis value is very low for group A, and it's higher in group B than group A, and the skewness is almost the same because we don't have data that are either right or left skewed. You can see the interquartile range is plotted here. You can see the median, which is this value here, and you can make basic plots such as the QQ plots. As you can see, there is the data are very nicely distributed along the line. You can make distribution plot, and this shows you how the distribution of the data is. You can display the density with the histogram, and it shows you very nicely how the data are spread. That's it. The point is to run the right test, which is the independent sample t-test, because we have two groups. Okay.